In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM to make sales projections and analysis. We'll start by setting up your data the right way. Open HubSpot, head to Sales, then Deals. Review your pipeline and make sure the stages mirror your real process. Commonly, that looks like prospecting, qualified, proposal sent, and closed won or closed lost. Clear, realistic stages keep your reports trustworthy because every deal will roll up according to where it truly sits. Next, create your deals with complete, accurate information. Click Create Deal and fill in the deal name, the amount you expect to close, the expected close date, and select the correct pipeline stage. Treat this as the raw material for your forecast. Precise inputs here directly shape the quality of your projections and analysis. With deals in place, assign stage probabilities so HubSpot can estimate outcomes. Go to Settings, then Objects, then Deals, and set a probability for each stage. For example, you might use 10% for prospecting, 30% for qualified, 70% for proposal, and 90% for closing. These percentages should reflect your historical performance and can be tuned over time as your process matures. Now move into forecasting. Navigate to Sales and choose Forecast. Here, HubSpot combines your stage probabilities with close dates and assigned reps to produce projected revenue automatically. This is where the concept of a weighted pipeline comes to life. If a deal is worth $1,000 and sits at 50%, the forecasted contribution is $500. When you sum this across all open deals, you get your expected revenue for the selected period, grounded in the likelihood of each opportunity. To dig deeper, build reports. Go to Reports, select Reports, then Create Report. Choose templates geared for projections and analysis such as a deal forecast report, revenue by month or quarter, a pipeline funnel report, and a conversion rate report. Each provides a different lens, totals over time, movement between stages, and efficiency at converting opportunities. Tighten what you see using filters, set a date range, choose specific sales reps, limit by deal stage, or focus on a particular pipeline. Keep these filters aligned with your goals and quotas so comparisons make sense. Then add visualizations that tell the story quickly, bar charts for side-by-side revenue, line charts to show growth over time, and funnel charts to highlight stage drop-offs. Evaluate performance by tracking total revenue, win rate, average sales cycle length, and conversion by stage. Finally, compare your actuals to the forecast to spot gaps and underperforming stages, and adjust your stage